Struggling with Destiny 2 not working? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store if you're using iOS device. Once you're in here in the source bar, simply search for the application Destiny 2. Now move into this app right here. So right here you can see the option of open, but instead of open, if you see the option of update, then you are not using the updated version of the app, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Once you've got the updated version, now the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device, and then head over to general, move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Destiny 2 and then click on it. Now tap on offload app, and then once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.